Good morning, Compass families, scholars, and learning coaches. Melissa here, your middle school coordinator with this week's Monday morning message, which is for parents and learning coaches specifically for middle school and high school scholars. Want to know what your scholar is up to throughout the day, but don't want to stand over their shoulder while they're working? Do you work away from home, but still want to know what your scholar is up to while you're working? Well, you have the ability to do this, and I am going to show you how to access the PSP, or Parent Scholar Portal, if you've never done so before. It's super easy. So first thing you're going to want to do is in the URL, you're going to want to type startcompass.org, and it will take you to this website. Then you're going to click here on Forgot Password, and you will type in the email address that you have on file. Any parent or learning coaches who is in our system has an account already created. So you'll type in the password that you have on file, and you will click Request Password. Once you click that, it will say Request Sent. Then you're going to navigate to your email and find that email that was sent. It usually comes pretty quickly, so I bet you it's already in my email, which it is right here. So when you open it, you will click on this blue link and you will change your password. Click Save, and then it will take you back to this screen. So you're going to then enter your email address and the new password you just created and click Login. When you log in, you will notice that the screen looks extremely similar to the one that your scholar sees when they log in. But what you will notice is that you have access to all of your scholar's courses. So if you click on the courses over here in the left-hand tab, you can see all of your scholar's courses, including areas of focus, any course announcements, along with their gradebook. And the gradebook is a really great place to go to because here is where you can see exactly what assignments your scholar has submitted. So you'll see that this is a fake scholar. This scholar is missing a lot of assignments because they haven't been working. But the red exclamation point means that the assignment is missing. However, if your scholar has submitted it, you will see that there is a date which they submitted it. You'll also see that there is a grade here in this column and the number of attempts that the scholar has. So if the scholar has multiple attempts on that assignment, it will show under that column. So lots of great information here right under your fingertips that you can use to check in on your scholar. Also, another great thing that you can do is you can launch your scholar's course, which will take you directly into what your scholar has done, right? So this is your scholar's work. If you want to check in on an assignment and you want to see, how they did on their Unit 1 exam, you can do that. You can click on Unit 1 exam. It will take you to that exam. You can click on it and you can see how your scholar did along with any teacher comments that were left on that assignment. So, no more guessing what your scholar was doing during school today. You can access all of that information. So parents, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of how to access the parent version of the PSP, or Parent Scholar Portal, and I hope you make use of it. As always, if you need any more assistance getting into the PSP from your account, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or your scholar's homeroom teacher. We'd be more than happy to help. So I hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.